Hello everyone. Here is the pumpkin trees. Yes, and there are many pumpkin. Yeah, and they look so fresh and so natural. Yeah, with the view. So today I decide to cook one recipe called pumpkin soup. Yes, the food I mean that it very strange, right? But for countryside people, yeah, they are really enjoy with that food. Yes, so for ingredient I have pumpkin leaf, yeah, chili, lemongrass, garlic, yes, and I also have, yeah, one fish, yeah. So at first I have to pick up the pumpkin leaf and I have to peel, yeah, peel it like this one by one, yeah, and then we can rinse them with the water before we cook. Yes, that vegetable so fresh, yes, and no chemical, really good for health. Yeah, okay, so now I start to peel them. Looks at this vegetable, yes, so green, yes, and really fresh. Okay, now I start to peel the pumpkin. Yes, I remove the seed out and then cut in a small piece. Yes, make a soup like this. We can use the baby pumpkin. Yeah, if we use the old, it's not it's not really delicious. Yes. Okay, so now I start to cut them into the small size. Okay, and then rinse with the water before we cook. Okay, now that's all, and now I start to cut the lemongrass. Yeah, cut in a small size like this. Yeah. Yes, and we use some salt. Yeah. Or we can blend it together. Yes, I add garlic and chili. Yeah, inside. Okay, that's all. Now I start to to cook. So at first I have to boil water. Yes, and when the water is boiling, I have to add a pumpkin. Yes. After add pumpkin into the pot, we can recover it for 5 to 6 minutes. Yes. Okay, so make sure that vegetable is nearly cooked. We can add yes, pumpkin leaf. Yeah. Yeah, waiting it boiling again. Okay. Now I add some ingredient that I have done it before. Yes, and I add some ingredient like chicken powder and a little bit sugar and also fish sauce. Yes. Okay, and at last I have to add fish. Yeah. And waiting until 3 minutes left. Yeah, it will cook. For the taste, you can add any taste that you like. Okay, now the soup is boiling now. Yeah, it's really nice to eat. Yeah, with this countryside soup. Okay, how do you think, everyone? If you like this food, don't forget. Yes, try it. Okay, so and I will find more interesting food for you on next video. Yes, and I'm sorry with my wrong pronunciation in any word, and I hope all of you will like my video. And for this soup we can eat with rice. Yes, so now at last I add the rice paddy herb inside. That's all for this food. Yes, and for this soup we can eat with the hot pot like this. Yes, it makes you feel good on when you eat. And thank you so much everyone for your watching my video, and hope to see you next video. And thanks for any comment, and thanks so much for your subscribe my video. And see you in the video, everyone. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye bye.